Namaskar. Good morning. How are you students today?
I
Yeah,
am
How
fine.
are
happy.
you all? Yes, great. So I hope you all are good and you are all fresh and set for a puzzle. Today we are going to start our day with a puzzle. It's a game, language game, sort of like puzzle. Why it is puzzle? Because you will come to know it next. The name of the game is Boggle. Boggle. Boggle means puzzle, confuse, baffle. So when you think over, when you have something to think upon, and you think a lot, or sometimes like it happens, very strange thing happens, and you get like astonished. आपण मराठीमध्ये त्याला म्हणतो चक्रावणे. आपला मेंदू घर करणे किंवा चक्रावणे. So this is sort of that game. So name of the game is Boggle. Okay. You can say it's mind boggling game. Okay. So we'll start now. You need a notebook, pen or pencil with you, and you have to make a grid of 9 boxes, like 3 by 3, 9. When you play O and X, okay, the same way, draw a grid in your notebook having 3, 3, 3. So 3 by 3, 9 boxes, okay? Get ready. Let me share my screen now. Can you see the screen?
No, ma'am, I can't.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Screen is not sharing.
Always
No, ma'am.
happens. Okay. Toggle. Okay. Good. Students, can you see here? This is a game named Boggle. So Boggle means baffle, puzzle, astonish. Okay. मराठीमध्ये सिंपल तुमचं मेंदू चक्रावणे, डोकं चक्रावणे म्हणजे काय की जेव्हा तुम्ही असं खूप डोक्याला काम देता म्हणजे मेंदूला काम देता तेव्हा. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. व्हॉट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप? दिस इज अ डेमो. ओके, डोंट टेक इट डाउन. So you have to make a grid like this, 9 boxes, just like O and X. Okay. Now in these 9 boxes, randomly you have to write any alphabet from A to Z. Okay. Now see, here it is written like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. And all the alphabets, whatever you have written in these 9 boxes are written here below. This is the second step. First, draw a grid like this, 3 by 3. Then fill it with alphabets. Any alphabet, don't take it double. Once only, A to Z. Now, after writing all these 9 alphabets, write it down. See all the alphabets. Then next step is that you have given a time, you will have given a time, and then you will start writing words. Now, the rule is that you have to make words out of only these 9 letters. Okay. So only these 9 letters you have to choose your word from, and not any other alphabet you will take in. Got it? या 9 जे कोणते 9 अल्फाबेट्स तुम्ही लिहाल त्या 9 अल्फाबेट शिवाय 9 अक्षरांशिवाय तुम्ही एकही अक्षर बाहेरचं घ्यायचं नाही. आणि यू कॅन राईट ऍज मेनी वर्ड्स ऍज कॅन ओनली टेकिंग these अल्फाबेट्स ओनली. ओके. तुम्हाला मी 2 मिनिटं वेळ देईन.
आमच्या मनाचे.
तुमच्या मनाचे, पण तुमच्या मनाचे शब्द तुम्ही फक्त तुम्ही जे लेटर्स लिहिणार त्या लेटर मधूनच लिहायचे. तुम्ही जे लेटर्स लिहाल ना त्या लेटर मधूनच लिहायचे, बाहेरचे नाही. सो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू राईट ऑल 26 अल्फाबेट्स हियर. बरोबर ना? आपल्याकडे 26 अक्षर आहेत. बट हाऊ मेनी यू हॅव टू राईट हियर? How many alphabets? 9. Choose any 9 alphabets to write here. Okay. So, and don't copy
याला
this.
रूल नाहीये ना 3 अक्षरी नसलं पाहिजे 4 अक्षरी असं काय?
नाही, याला रूल असा नाहीये. पण रूल काय आहे? द रुब्रिक इज दॅट you have to take your letters for making words from the given letters only. The alphabets you have written in your grid, those are the only source. समजलं? म्हणजे तुम्ही म्हणून त्याच्यासाठी ना तुम्हाला पटकन वर्ड समजण्यासाठी त्यांनी काय केलंय 9 ब्लॉक्स मध्ये लिहिल्यानंतर खाली लिहिलेत ना ते लिहून घेतलेत आणि मग त्याच्यातून ते वर्ड तयार करतायत ना मग आपल्याला कळतं की आपण कोणता कोणता घ्यायचा आणि कसा शब्द बनवायचा कळलं अजून काही शंका आहे आय एम गोइंग टू आस्क क्वेश्चन
त्याच्यातलेच अक्षर घेऊन शब्द बनवायचा का
बरोबर बरोबर आता मी प्रश्न विचारते ICQs ओके इन्स्ट्रक्शन चेकिंग क्वेश्चन्स हाऊ मेनी boxes are you going to draw
9.
No, 9.
9.
how many alphabets are you going to write
9.
9
and
alphabet.
okay how many words are you going to make from the alphabets
I don't know.
as many as you can किती पण जेवढे होतील तेवढे okay is your time limited or unlimited if I am limited yes limited because I'm just going to give you 2 minutes okay so all set everybody set everybody ready
तिचे हेच शब्द घ्यायचे ना
हे नाही लिहायचे हे लिहायचे नाही this is just for your demo हे लिहायचे नाही हे लिहायचे नाहीत हा कळलं हे शब्द लिहायचे नाही हे शब्द तुम्ही लिहिले की तुमचे मार्क्स गेले कळलं दिस इज जस्ट फॉर युअर डेमो ओके हॅलो तुम्ही अल्फाबेट कोणते पण चेंज करू शकता मी म्हटलं A to Z पर्यंत कोणतेही घ्यायचे तुम्हाला जे घ्यायचे ते कळलं समजलं का आता
हो टीचर
हा रेडी everybody get ready with your book notebook and pencil okay fast draw 9 grids फटाफट लवकर असे 9 बॉक्सेस काढा फटाफट and show me if possible show me okay fast come on fast make it faster have you finished drawing 9 boxes
yes
good
yes,
now
yes ma'am
now fill it with alphabets okay any alphabet you can choose from A to Z start writing it
शब्द बनवू
नाही शब्द बनवायला सांगितले नाही अजून फक्त अल्फाबेट्स लिहायला सांगितले ओके डन विथ द अल्फाबेट्स
yes
okay now write all the alphabets below your grid below your table write all the alphabets that you have filled in the boxes okay म्हणजे तुम्हाला ते इझी पडेल असं सरळ एका लाईन मध्ये बघितलं ना की त्याच्यातून तुम्हाला शब्द बनवायला इझी पडेल डन हॅलो
yes ma'am.
yes teacher
okay, so I am going to set your time now your time starts now shoot 2 minutes only write wisely choose the words from the given letters only whatever letters you have written choose your word from those letters only no outsider allowed write fast One minute passed 1 minute left hurry up children half minute only pace up speed up last 15 seconds 10 seconds. And stop. Yes.
Yes.
Time up. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Now, yes. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how many words have you written? Give me a count.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ma'am,
Okay. Who is 11?
Sanjeevani 11.
Okay.
Sanjeevani.
Sanjeevani 11. Then next.
Teacher Shreyash 11.
Who?
Sabuti
Okay. Sabuti, how many words?
80.
18. 1 8, right? 1 8, na?
Yes, teacher.
So 18. Okay. Who is
Shreyash
next?
11. Shreyash 11.
Shreyash 11. Okay. Shreyash 11. See, you all are going to check who is the winner. Huh? Okay. Next, is there anybody? Shreyash, Sanjeevani, Divya or Diksha? Who is that?
Yes, teacher.
Divya, are you there? How many words? Now, no more writing. You have stopped that long back. Now it's 1 more minute past. Okay, Divya, how many words? I think Divya has a weak connection. Okay, is there anything? Sorry, anybody? Isha. Okay, Isha, how many words? Isha. You have some problem with your network, Isha. Okay, Prathamesh. So we have just 3. Shreyash 11.
Isha 17.
17. Good. Okay, Isha 17, Shreyash 11, Sanjeevani 11, Sabuti 18. Bas these all only 4 students.
Ishika 6.
6. Okay, good. Ishika, I think you are the first time participating. Ishika 6. Is there anybody left?
17.
Who 17? Who is that? Who is that? Come on.
Verma.
एक मिनिट झाले संपले का आता बस So who is the highest word with? Who is the highest word? Sabuti. Okay. Now Sabuti, you will show your grid and you will show your words. Okay. So just keep your notebook next to the camera so that we can all see. Sabuti, share yours. Hello, where is she?
Yes, teacher.
Show your grid as well as words, okay? And we all will check whether she is right or not. Sabuti, show fast. कुठे सबूती लवकर दाखव. Okay. So Sabuti, can you read it? First read your letters, okay? Letters in the grid, it is not clearly visible. All of you, please take it down. Okay. So take down Sabuti's letters. Okay, Sabuti, go on. Tell your letters.
ABC, first letter ABC, second letter D, F, G, third letter H, I, J, fourth letter E, F, G.
Hello. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J. I think you have finished 9. Just 9 boxes. How many boxes were there?
She is done.
So A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J. That's it. Okay. So now tell the words. Everybody please take down the words and cross check. Okay. First word. Come on, fast. Sabuti. First word.
A, B, C.
Word I am asking now. इथे कसे त्यांनी वर्ड्स बनवलेत बघा. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I मधून. Bad, cab, तसे तू कोणते वर्ड्स बनवलेत ते सांग. कोणते बनवले?
टीचर रोज बनवला आहे.
एक मिनिट, रोज बनवायला तुझ्याकडे ह्याच्यातले कोणते लेटर्स आहेत? You are not allowed to take any outsider letter. The letters which are there in the grid only.
त्या लक्षातच आला नाही गेम.
अरे सबुती, मी कितींदा विचारलं. किती सिंपल गेम होता. मग तुम्ही हे कशासाठी लिहायचं होतं? ओके. आता सेकंड हायेस्ट ईशा. ईशा, will you share your words and your letters? So Isha, first you share your letters. एक मिनिट, letters हा.
A B C O R D M T N.
M G N.
T
Come
N,
again.
ma'am.
Come again. A B C.
A B C O R D M T N.
M T N. Okay. O R D.
M T N.
No, before that. O R D or O I D?
O R D.
Okay. Okay. Good. Everybody please note down. Okay. Come on. Your word. First word.
Car.
Huh?
Second word mat. Third word
First word.
fourth word bat. Fifth word rat. Sixth word ran. Seventh word man. Eighth word can. Ninth word tan. 10th word dawn. 11 or 12 on. 13 is road.
Wait. 11th on and
On,
12th.
ma'am, on.
And 12th?
11 or 12 on.
On and on.
Ma'am, 11
or.
मॅम दोन्ही आहे.
कोणते
और
दोन?
आहे आणि त्याच्यानंतर ऑन आहे.
ओके, हा, नेक्स्ट. गुड, क्लेवर.
13 is road, 14 is Tom, 15 is no, 16 is not, 17 to, 18 OTP.
My God, clever. Clap for her. Very good. Well done, Isha. Great. I didn't hear claps from.
त्याच्यात R होता का?
Oh, ORD. That's why I asked her again. Clever. Isha, good girl. सर्वांनी तिच्यासाठी क्लॅप करा. Clap for her. Good going. Very nice.
Congratulations, Isha.
Yes, congratulations. म्हणून तुम्हाला सांगितलं होतं की इथे तुम्ही घेताना लेटर्स वाईजली घ्या. तुम्हाला एक माहिती पाहिजे. आता एक लक्षात आलं, सर्वात जास्त लेटर कोणतं यूज होतं माहितीये का? A, S, I आणि O. हा, ओके. Next. So this is today's topic. To have forms. Okay. Last time we did all is, are, was, were. Then do, does, did. And now to have forms. See, I have, you have, we have, they have. Means have for what? Singular I, then singular you, plural you, and then plural we, they. So what is the exception? Exceptions all these three always. बघा, या तीनलाच खूप रूल्स वेगळे आहेत. त्यामुळे जास्त काय आपल्याला लक्षात ठेवायची गरज नाही. फक्त जसं डज आहे ना, he, she, it does the same is here with it. She has, he has, it has. And why this is called has? Because these all are called third person singular. So third person singular means the person who is not with us, but we are talking about the person in his or her absence. Or it can be like they are there, but they are not we are talking with, but they are somewhere there far from us. बरोबर? म्हणजे आपण जरी बोलतोय, आपल्यामध्ये पहिला फर्स्ट पर्सन दॅट इज ऑलवेज द स्पीकर, हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ. म्हणजे मी कोणाशी बोलते, दॅट इज द सेकंड पर्सन, you. Let it be singular or plural. But the person we are talking with is you, and about whom we are talking, that is third person, तीसरी व्यक्ति. So this is the rule. I, you, we, they have, he, she, it has. Now next. Here are the sentences, singular as well as plural. Now, book, that is it, third person. Okay. So for book singular here, but we are talking about what? I. We are not talking, first person is I. When it is only book, we are talking about, then we can take has. Book has 50 pages. But here we are talking about I, first person. So I have a book. See, same sentence, we are taking singular, I have a book. If the book means object is more in numbers, we have books. Here again, I and we, because I singular first person, we plural first person. म्हणजे आपण आय म्हणतो आणि समजा आपल्याला अजून 2-4 जण असतील तर आपण वी म्हणतो ना. मग these all are singular and these all are plural forms of pronouns. You have a book, you have books. This you is singular, फक्त तू एकटा एकटी, आणि you म्हणजे you all. Okay, have books. She has a book, he has a book, it has a red cover. Now see, it has a red cover means we are talking about a person or a thing. Tell me. It has a red cover. Are we talking about a person or a thing here? Come on. It has a red cover means about what we are talking here. Sanga?
We are talking about cover, red cover.
It has. We are not talking about a cover, but we are talking about something that has a red cover. It means we can see, it can be your book, it can be your notebook. It has a red cover. So your book means book has a red cover or notebook has a red cover. It means a thing. आपण शिकलोय, विसरता कसं? शी आणि ही आपण कोणासाठी वापरतो? ह्युमन बिंग साठी वापरतो. इट आपण कोणासाठी वापरतो? आपण कधी कधी हे ह्युमन बिंगला पण वापरतो, पण मोस्ट ऑफ आपण हे कशासाठी वापरतो? ऑब्जेक्ट साठी, अॅनिमल साठी, म्हणजे लिव्हिंग नॉन लिव्हिंग दोघींसाठी वापरतो ना, दोन्हीसाठी. पण मग आता इट हॅज अ रेड कव्हर असं म्हटलं तर जनरली आपण कव्हर कशाला करतो? कव्हर कशाला लावतो? बुकला किंवा नोटबुकला. So we are talking about a thing that has a red cover, and that thing can be a book or a notebook. Now, see, we have books, you have books, and they have books. परत लक्षात घ्या, I चं plural we, you singular चं plural.
टीचर तुमचा माईक म्यूट.
कळलं मला, मी केला. शी, ही आणि इट या सर्वांना एकच प्लुरल आहे दे. आता नेक्स्ट, कोणीतरी इथे असं मुलांना दुसरं काही करता येत नाही का? ओके. टू हॅव फॉर्म्स ऑफ पास्ट टेन्स. आता जसं तुम्ही डू, डज, that was present and the past form of that was did. Same is here. Did ला पण same rule होता for all singular or plural. The same was there, did. Same is here for I, you, we, they, he, she, it. All has just had. या सर्वांना फक्त have चा past tense had. जसा do चा did झाला तसा I चा सॉरी have चा had सर्वांना सेम. तिथे सिंग्युलर आणि प्लुरलचा रूल नाहीये. एवढं सिंपल आहे. फक्त लक्षात काय ठेवायचं? ओनली यू हॅव टू कीप इन माइंड अबाउट these 3 things. She, he, it. Okay? Third person singular. That's it. Now see the sentences. Okay, who will read this? To have forms of past tense. Who will read this?
To have forms of past tense. Singular.
Yes.
I had a book. You had a book. She had a book. He had a book. It had a red cover. We had books. You had books.
You had books.
Had books.
They had books.
Yes, very nice. Good. So here, everywhere you can see just had, no change at all. Only changes with do, does, like have, has. And for past tense, no change. Good. Now see, let's practice. आता मी तुम्हाला परत do doesचं का सांगितलं? कारण that was finished in earlier session. Now it's your turn to revise. Okay. So you have questions over here and you have options in the brackets. Now you will read the question. You will choose the proper answer, the correct one from the given. Okay. So I will read out name and you will read this. Okay, Isha, go for first question. Read the questions and give answer.
Yes, ma'am. First, do you in bracket has, have, had, and having chalk
allergy. Chalk allergy.
Allergy.
So what is the answer? Now put the correct word and read it again. Read it again.
Yes, ma'am. Do you had chalk allergy?
See,
Ma'am,
have. Do is which tense do? Do is present or past? Present tense. So do you have? So do you have chalk allergy? चॉक अलर्जी म्हणजे काही काही जणांना चॉकची अलर्जी असते, म्हणजे त्यांना त्रास होतो चॉकमुळे, डोळ्यात चॉक जातो, नाकात चॉक जातो, शिंका येतात किंवा कोणाला हाताला खाज येते. दॅट इज अलर्जी. ओके. नाउ संजीवनी, सेकंड क्वेश्चन.
Yes, ma'am. Does your sibling helping you in school?
Sibling.
Check. Sibling means your brother, sister. Help. Very nice. Now putting help. Okay. Read it again.
Does your sibling help you in school?
Yes. Means does your sister or brother help you in school? Means homework, project work, anything. If you need any help, does your sibling, means your kin, your sister or brother, does he help you? Now again, see, does, this is which tense it is? Present or past?
Past.
Sorry, ma'am, present. Present. And does is present we are using for third person. So sibling means we are asking a question to you, and is your sibling there? No. So we are asking about him, her, we don't know who is that. So does your third person sibling, and siblings, that is plural. Okay. So here it is a third person singular. Does here, then it comes, does your sibling help? आणि डज घेतल्यानंतर हेल्पला काही नाही लावायचं, मग बेस फॉर्म येतो. जसं डू घेतल्यानंतर आपण हॅव बेस फॉर्म घेतला म्हणजे मूळ रूप, तसंच डज घेतल्यानंतर पण बेस फॉर्म घ्यायचा हेल्प. ओके. ओके. नाउ थर्ड क्वेश्चन. प्रथमेश, विल यू गो फॉर दिस? इज देयर प्रथमेश? आहे की नाही प्रथमेश?
टीचर मी वाचू? इशिका.
इशिका, ओके, गो.
Did your family joining the fun run?
Fun run means run means running race, but just for fun. Means you just have to complete. You can go fast, you can go slow. Means as per your pace you can go. That is just for fun. Okay. So no rules, nothing. So that is called a fun run. Okay. Now, fill the gap, fill the correct word and read it again. Ishika.
Did your family join the fun run?
Very nice. Why join? See, most of the questions are asked in this way. Did means which form? Present, past, tell me.
Present.
Past.
Do, does, present, and did is the past form of do. Do is for I and you and we and they, and for he, she, it, does, and did is the past tense of do, does. So whenever past tense is there in your question or answer, did is there, all सारखं did past tense, so always base form म्हणजे मूळ रूप. So join is the base form. So did your family join the fun run? तुमच्या फॅमिलीने फन रन मध्ये भाग घेतला होता का? हा, केव्हा केव्हा कसं असतं, जॉईन आहे, जॉईनचा अर्थ आपण काय सांगतो की जॉईन होणे म्हणजे काय, त्याच्यामध्ये समावणे किंवा जोडणे. पण इंग्लिश मध्ये कसं असतं की आपण त्या शब्दाचा अर्थ त्या कॉन्टेक्स्ट म्हणून ठरवायचा की कॉन्टेक्स्ट काय आहे, संदर्भ काय आहे, आणि मग त्या जॉईनचा अर्थ आपण भाग घेणे, पार्टिसिपेट असा करायचा. कळलं? इंग्रजीमध्ये आपल्याला थोडंसं हे वापरायला लागतं. ओके, नाउ दिव्या, will you read fourth one?
Yes, ma'am. I don't always agreed, agreeing with the views of other people.
Okay.
Ma'am, agree.
With which
Agree.
is the word? Okay, now put agree and read it again. Read it again.
I don't always agree with the views of other people.
Yes, very good. It means you have your own opinion. You may agree, you may not. Sometimes you like, yes, you go with them. Sometimes you stand firm on your steps. तुम्ही तुमच्याच ठिकाणी फर्म राहता की नाही, मला हे नाही पटलं, नाही मी तुमचं मान्य करणार. हा, आणि म्हणून काय, कधी कधी आपण इतर लोकांच्या व्ह्यूज म्हणजे इतर लोकांच्या मताने आपण केव्हा केव्हा जातो. पण तो काय म्हणतो, मी नेहमीच दुसऱ्यांच्या मताशी सहमत असत नाही. ओके, नाव सबुती, रीड फिफ्थ वन. सबुती.
Yes, teacher.
हा. शीला. Sheila.
Sheila does not easily believing the
theories. Okay, does not easily. काय word आहे तुझा, मम्मी सांगते. Okay, what is the correct word? Sabhuti, what is the correct word? Believe. Good. आता तुमच्या लक्षात आलं का की don't means do not. Do not आलं की आपण बेस फॉर्म घेतो. इथे पण does not आलं, I first person singular म्हणून don't, शीला third person singular म्हणून does. आणि it is negative, so don't and does not. Easily believe in theories म्हणजे आपण नुसत्या ऐकलेल्या गोष्टी किंवा कोणीतरी सांगितलेल्या आहे. प्रॅक्टिकल तुम्हाला माहिती का, आपल्याकडे दोन गोष्टी असतात, थेअरी आणि प्रॅक्टिकल. मग थेअरी मध्ये तुम्ही
डबल आवाज येते.
डबल येतोय आवाज, आता मला तर येत नाहीये. थेअरी आणि प्रॅक्टिकल. प्रॅक्टिकल म्हणजे
तुमचा आवाज येतोय डबल आवाज येतोय मला.
कसं रेखा मॅडम येतोय माझा आवाज तसा काही, म्हणजे काय की दुसऱ्यांनी सांगितलेल्या गोष्टी किंवा नुसत्या लिहिलेल्या गोष्टी. आणि प्रॅक्टिकल म्हणजे काय, आपण स्वतः करतो त्या गोष्टी, आपण स्वतः अनुभव घेतो. आणि थेअरी मध्ये आपण नुसतं लिहितो. बघा तुम्ही पेपर मध्ये लिहिता ना, खूप छान भाषण सुद्धा तुम्ही पेपर मध्ये लिहिलं, खूप छान निबंध तुम्ही लिहिला, पण म्हणून काय तुम्ही खरोखर खूप चांगले आहात का त्या भाषणात लिहिण्यामध्ये किंवा लिखाणामध्ये? कारण काय होतं ना, केव्हा केव्हा तुम्ही कोणाकोणाची ना स्मरणशक्ती पण खूप चांगली असेल आणि ते केवळ वाचलेलं असतं ना, जसंच्या तसं लिहून काढतात. मग त्याला म्हटलं ना की चल बाबा, आता ह्या विषयावरती तू एवढं छान लिहिलं होतंस ना, आता स्पीक समथिंग or speak for at least 5 minutes on the given subject. मग तेव्हा त्या मुलाला किंवा त्या मुलीला अजिबात बोलता येत नाही. So it is not always work what you have done with the exams. but how you are going to use it in a practical way in your own real life, that matters most. So Sheila says that she does not easily believe in the theories. म्हणजे नुसत्या ऐकलेल्या गोष्टींमध्ये ती विश्वास नाही ठेवत, तर काय नक्की तुम्ही करता किंवा काय होतं त्याच्यावरती विश्वास ठेवते. ओके, नेक्स्ट. नाउ आता इथे पण बघा सिंपल आहे हा, ऍडिंग एस टू वर्ब्स. आपण मगाशी जे शिकलो ना ते म्हणजे उजळणीच आहे. फर्स्ट पर्सन आय लाईक मँगोज, फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लुरल वी लाईक मँगोज, सेकंड पर्सन सिंग्युलर यू लाईक मँगोज, second person plural you like mango. So what is the base verb? Like, 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 like. म्हणजे हे कशासारखं डू, 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 डू. बघा आता डू च डच झालं म्हणून लाईक च काय झालं? What are the changes here? Like. Read the sentence. Read all these sentences.
She likes mangoes. She
then?
likes mangoes.
Yes.
It likes mangoes.
Yes.
It likes mangoes.
Yes. So what are same? Like I, you, we, you, they. All are same. They all are having like. And what is shown in the boxes? That is for he, she, it. Because when it comes to he, she, it, we need to add s. Now see here already e is there at the end of the word. So we just need to add s. Huh? हे एवढंच एक्सेप्शन आहे. बरेच लोक बोलताना लिहिताना चुका इथेच करतात. सिंपल गोष्ट आहे, फक्त थर्ड पर्सन सिंग्युलरला वर्ब लिहिताना तुम्ही एस ऍड करायचा असतो. बिकॉज वी ऍड es when it comes do. I do, you do, we do, you do, he, she, it does, and they do. Huh? Simple. Now these are determiners. Okay, a or an. आता हे पण तुम्हाला माहिती आहे सगळ्यांना, where to write or where to use an and where to use a. Okay, Sanjini, read this. All this green, all these box. Come on, Sanjini.
An apple. A red apple. And mango. A golden.
And mango.
A mango. A golden mango. And
overripe mango.
Overripe mango.
Ripe म्हणजे पिकलेला, ready to eat. Okay. And overripe means it is more ripe. So sometimes it is said that you don't have to eat overripe food because they may lose the nutrient. म्हणजे त्याचे जे न्यूट्रिएंट्स असतात ना ते खूप जास्त पिकल्यानंतर ते फळातले नष्ट होतात. त्यामुळे असं सांगतात की आपण ओव्हरराईप कोणतेही खायचं नाही. जसं आपण ओव्हर कुक म्हणजे जास्त शिजलेलं अन्न खायचं नसतं. काय काय आपण थोडंफार कच्चं खायचं असतं. मग तसं ओव्हरराईप, ओव्हर म्हणजे जास्त पिकलेला ओव्हरराईप. आता याच्यातला डिफरन्स तुम्ही कोण मला सांगाल का? Why to use a and why to use an? And see, remember a and an always for singular. Wait. One.
Teacher, vowels असते तेव्हा and वापरायचा.
Yes. A
आणि
and
तेव्हा vowels नसताना तेव्हा a वापरायचा.
Very good. Vowel sound. फक्त वॉल असं नाही, म्हणजे वॉवेल म्हणतात तुम्ही, तर फक्त वॉल लेटर इज नॉट नेसेसरी. साऊंड शुड बी देअर. आणि साऊंड असेल तर वापरायचं, साऊंड नसेल तर नाही वापरायचं. बघा, आणि काही काही ठिकाणी तुम्हाला लेटर पण ते येत नाही. वॉल साऊंड आहेत ना त्याचे लेटर्स तुम्ही म्हणतात ना AEIOU. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे आपण अवर म्हणतो HOUR. त्याचं स्पेलिंग आहे HOUR, पण त्याला हवर नाही म्हणत, अवर म्हणतो. मग आपण कसं म्हणतो? अवर एचं प्रोनाउन्सिएशन an hour. Very nice, because H is silent. So remember, an honorable chief guest. Honorable. It begins with H. But yes, when you pronounce the word, your pronunciation, the sound, it comes as a vowel sound. As a vowel sound. Okay. See, an and a. Both for singular. फक्त सिंग्युलरलाच a आणि an वापरतात. जेव्हा प्लुरल असतं तेव्हा त्याला आपण a and काहीच वापरत नाही. आणि वॉल साऊंड an, a, so an. A red r, consonant, so a. See, a mango, M consonant sound, so mango. Golden mango, G, G consonant sound, so A. And overripe, O vowel sound, so An. Okay, so it always goes with the sound. Now see here, milk. What is different? Mango, mangoes. Apple, apples. Milk, milk. आपण बघितलं ना सिंगुलर प्लुरलला मिल्कचं मिल्क राहतं, वॉटरचं वॉटर राहतं. Now what are just something you need to learn here, that is milk, a drop of milk, some milk, 2 cups of milk. See the difference, okay? Milk means, see, it can be like 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, but milk is milk. It is not singular plural because we can't count and we can't count it like drops. बरोबर ना, आपण ते एक एक नाही मोजू शकत, म्हणून त्याला तसं आपण नाही countable नाही येते. So milk singular as well as plural, both milk. A drop of milk, yes. A drop of milk फक्त एक थेंब. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे ड्रॉपर असतो त्याने आपल्या डोळ्यात वगैरे औषध टाकतात ना, किंवा
टीचर मिल्कच्या पिशव्या सिंग्युलर प्लुरल मध्ये येऊ शकतात, पण त्याच्यामध्ये मिल्क आहे ते नाही येऊ शकत.
Very nice. Why? Because we can count the bags, we can count the container.
We can do.
Yes. Same like here. 2 cups of milk. Same like here. But I want some milk. आपण तेवढं काय मोजत नाही ना, some kind milk. Okay, good. Now, exercise. It is a parrot. My teacher are very nice. You have to hunt the errors. Okay, spot the error. And you have to correct. Okay. Now, I is a parrot. So, I is a parrot. So, what is wrong here? Come on.
I am a parrot.
Very nice. I am a parrot. Okay, Sanjeevani.
I am a parrot.
No, this one. Next.
My teacher are very nice.
So, what is the wrong word here?
Teacher are. My teacher. My teacher.
Is.
My teacher is very nice.
Is or was where? My teacher. How many teachers can you see here? Just one. Just one. So is. If here it is are my teachers, then are very nice. But my teacher is very nice. See, go for singular and plural and then use these to be forms wisely. Now, this. Sabuti?
Yes, teacher.
Go for this. Third one. I like.
I like milk.
Okay. I like
milk.
Milk. Yes. No singular plural for milk. So I like milk. Okay. Prathamesh, will you go for this? Or Ishika? Ishika, do this. Come on. Ishika or Divya? Divya, will you read this?
You doesn't study hard.
So what is the correct answer? What is the wrong word?
You don't study hard.
Yes, you don't, because does we use for? Tell me, where we use does?
Don't.
Where we use does? Where we use does? आपण does कुठे वापरतो? कितींदा रिपीट केला मी? थर्ड
प्रेझेंट असतं तेव्हा.
प्रेझेंट टेन्स पण थर्ड पर्सन सिंग्युलर. बघा इकडे, ही शी इट. फक्त एवढंच लक्षात ठेवण्यासारखं आहे, थर्ड पर्सन सिंग्युलरला आपण इएस वापरतो. म्हणजे इथे जर का डझंट ठेवायचं असेल तर इकडे काय वापरायला पाहिजे? टेल मी. काय वापरायला पाहिजे? यू रिमूव्ह करायचं. इफ यू हॅव टू रिमूव्ह यू अँड कीप द रेस्ट सेंटेन्स ॲज इट इज. सो व्हॉट विल यू रिप्लेस हिअर? यूच्या जागी काय तुम्ही रिप्लेस?
Have.
थर्ड पर्सन सिंग्युलर कोण आहे इकडे? कोण आहे इकडे थर्ड पर्सन?
Does.
डज आहे. ते डज तुम्हाला ठेवायचं असेल तर यूच्या जागी कोणाला घ्यायचं? pronoun कोणता घेणार? See, you is a pronoun. कोणता pronoun घेणार? He. He doesn't study hard.
He, she.
Doesn't study hard. कळलं? Now,
Teacher.
this one. Sabuti.
They are
Huh? They read apple A. So something wrong is here. Read the sentence, spot the error, and correct it. Go.
They eat.
I can read.
They eat red apple.
She is a red apple.
No. She is ना. काय कोणती मुलगी रेड ऍपल आहे का? आपण काय जादू बिदू करतोय का? अरे
They eat.
only the words example.
An apple.
Then an apple येईल का? आता बघा रेड ऍपल आहे तर बघा इकडे चेक. रेड ऍपल म्हटल्यानंतर an कशाला येईल?
A red apple eat.
एक मिनिट. आणि कोणी ईट केलं? See here what is missing. What is the sequence is missing. त्यांचा sequence बरोबर नाहीये. They eat red apple किंवा they ate. It's a past tense केला. त्यांनी red apple खाल्लं. कळलं? They ate red apple. Sequence change करा. आपल्याला ना चूक समजायला पाहिजे. आता आपण एवढं शिकलो, मग आता आपले हे रिवाइज करतो ना आपण. ओके. I like play ball. So what is wrong over here? सांगा. I like play ball. थोडं वेगवेगळं पण असतं हा. आता इथे प्ले आहे की नाही? प्ले बेस वर्ब आहे. मग आपण कसं म्हणतो? इथे पण बेस वर्ब आहे. लाईक. I like to play ball. I like to play ball. मला बॉल खेळायला आवडतं. ओके. समजलं तुम्हाला हे? बघा आपण वाक्य वाचलं ना की I like play ball म्हणजे आपण स्वतःबद्दलच बोलतोय ना. I like to play ball. मला बॉल खेळायला आवडतं. I like to sing. I like to read books. Whenever you say something about your liking, always add to. किंवा to जर नसेल ऍड करायचं तर काय करायचं? I like playing ball. मग तुम्ही ing लावायचं. I like singing songs. I like reading books. I like going for movies. मग तिथे ing लावायचं. Like म्हणजे आपल्याला काय आवडतं. So whenever you talk about your hobbies, either you have to use to after like or you can use a gerund form. Gerund म्हणजे ज्याला ing येतो. आपण नंतर gerund पण पुढच्या याच्यात शिकू. पण तुम्हाला हॉबीज विचारलं की तुम्ही काय म्हणता? I like singing. Same. I like playing ball. किंवा I like to play ball. कळलं? जर टू घेतला तर बेस फॉर्म घ्यायचा. टू नाही घेतला तर ing लावायचं. ओके. आता पुन्हा तुमची रिव्हिजन क्विक रिव्हिजन आहे. नंतर आपला लेसन संपेल. ओके. सी क्वेश्चन रेस. आता पुन्हा तुम्ही जे सगळं शिकलायत ना, तुम्ही एक क्वेश्चन मला करून सांगायचा. Write one meaningful question each beginning with the following words. So first words are given. Rest of the question words you have to provide. Now the first one to do so is the winner. You must use new ideas in each question. बघा आपण जेव्हा गणितामध्ये पण तुम्ही शिकता की नाही, जेव्हा तुम्ही एखादं गणित शिकता त्याच्यानंतर त्याची जी एक्सरसाइज असते ना त्याच्यामध्ये थोड्या व्हेरिएशन्स येतात. थोडी त्याची काठिण्य पातळी वाढत जाते किंवा काय माहितीये का तुम्हाला नवीन कल्पना स्वतः यूज करायला लागतात. सेम इज हिअर because what is the use that if you have learned something and you are applying for same, you have to think creatively. तुम्हाला थोडंसं नवीन काहीतरी विचार करायला पाहिजे ना. So here you are going to make questions verbally. Now you will not write now, but you will tell me verbally or orally. Now, first question. This is I am doing this. Who is that? See, who is that? That is my question. Okay, we will not answer the question, but we are just going to make question. Next question. Okay, so I will just take names and you will give me questions very fast. Okay, come on, Isha. Isha, next. Come on, make a question. Isha, are you there or not, Sanjeevi? Second question. Come on, fast.
What is this?
Very good. Okay, next. Viraj, your hand is raised. Are you going for the next?
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Very nice. Okay, next. When?
When are you coming?
Very nice. Why? Now why?
Why are you sitting very sad?
Wow. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, how?
Why are you going slowly?
Oh, very nice. Okay.
How are you?
How are you? How old are you?
Very good. Yes. R. Now R.
Are you crazy?
Are
you
fine?
Very nice. Viraj, Viraj, are you going to answer because his hand is raised? Viraj, will you answer for the question? You can unmute, check. Can you unmute and answer this, miss? You are going to ask a question using R. Start. Viraj, go with this. Unmute yourself. His hand is down now. Okay. Sabuti, R. Come on fast. R. R.
Are you slow? Are you ready?
Okay, good. Are you slow?
Are you crazy?
Are you ready?
Okay, is. Now is.
Are you ready?
Is. Is
Is
that a
your
girl?
bag?
Is
Huh?
my bag? Is
Your bag? Is your bag?
Is it your bag? See, is it your bag? Is it your bag? Then it is a question. Okay, good. Now, make one more question for is. Is it a hot day?
It is my friend.
Is it your friend?
Yes.
Is it
Is it raining now?
Is it your storybook?
Yes. Now you're there. Okay, good. Now have. Have
Have you pencil?
Have you a pencil?
Have you a pencil?
Yes. Okay, good. Has.
Have you a book?
Has. Now has.
I have a pen.
No answer questions. Only questions. Has. Now has. Your question should begin with this.
Pen?
Has. No. Has means see. Has
Have
means
you a
third
pen?
person. Has means third person. Has means third person.
Has your friend?
Something missing.
You can.
See, has means has we use for he, she, it. Has it, see, has it got over? ते संपलं का? किंवा has it, has कोणाला म्हटलं मी परत सांगितलं तुम्हाला थर्ड पर्सन सिंग्युलर म्हणजे तुम्ही समजा की तुम्ही कोणाबद्दल तरी बोलताय. Has he your book? मगाशी तुम्ही बुक घेतलं ना इकडे. Has he your book? त्याच्याकडे तुझं पुस्तक आहे का? बघा. किंवा has he got your pen? त्याच्याकडे तुझं पेन आहे का? बघा, has वापरताना आपण नेहमी थर्ड पर्सन सिंग्युलर. ओके. डू. पटापट डू सिंपल आहे. First person singular, you, singular plural, we, they. Come on.
Do you have a pen?
Okay. Next, नवीन शोधायचं, नवीन idea.
Do you know?
Very good. Do you know that fellow? तुला तो माणूस माहिती आहे का?
Do you know how old I am? Do we have to give presents?
Very nice. That is from our earlier lesson. Very good. Now see, here does. Again the same thing like has. Does. Does she? बघा, does she? आता तुम्ही सांगा मला. Does she?
Does she go out the garden?
Very nice. Now, does he?
Does she speak English?
Very nice. Very nice. Good. And does he?
Does he read the story?
Very good. Does he walk slowly?
Does he write a story?
Yes, very nice.
Singing?
Very nice. Does she sing? Okay. Does she sing? Okay. Aren't they? Now, negative form. Okay. Aren't they? Aren't they? Aren't they good? See, काही पण आपण समजा विकत घेतलं असेल ना, काही गोष्टी समजा फ्रुट्स घेतले किंवा काही भाजी घेतली, aren't they good? ते चांगलं नाहीये का? Aren't they good? Now, isn't he? Isn't he? Come on. Isn't he here? तो अजून आला नाही का इकडे? Isn't he here?
Isn't he come to home?
Yes. Isn't he come home? Isn't he come home? Good.
Isn't he come to the class?
Very nice. Very nice. Good. Now, don't you? Don't you?
Don't you have pink frock?
Very nice. Don't you think? Right? म्हणजे तू जर विचार करतेस ना, तर तुला बरोबर विचार नाही करता येत का? किंवा
Don't you know?
Is this right? Don't you know? Okay, good. Doesn't she? Doesn't she? Base form घ्यायचं, लक्षात ठेवा. Doesn't she? इकडे कसं base घेतलं तसा. Doesn't she? Come on.
Doesn't she has
Doesn't she has
a pen?
Very nice. Doesn't she has a pen? See, doesn't she? आता इथे does म्हटलंय तर doesn't she has म्हणायचं की have म्हणायचं? Base form घेताना
Have.
Good. आता does घेतलं ना आपण इकडे म्हणून. Okay.
Can't we do this?
Okay. Or can't we wait for? आपण थांबू शकतो ना थोडा वेळ, काही गोष्टींना वेळ लागतो, जसं आपण हॉटेलमध्ये गेलो.
Can't we stop?
Can't we stop? Very nice. Okay, next.
Won't you?
Won't you come?
Won't you go?
Very nice. Won't means what? Won't means what? Won't, that is a compressed form. So if you remove that apostrophe, what it will be? Come on. Can't, cannot. Won't, will not. Will not. Okay. Won't means will not. Okay. Can. This is very simple. Come on, go fast. Can I?
Can you do this? Can I say?
Very nice. Will
you go?
Very nice. Will you finish? Will you finish this? Okay. Will you speak? Okay.
May I answer?
Very nice. And
May I coming?
Very good.
Could you go outside?
Or could you give me a pen? Could you lend me a book?
Yes, ma'am.
This is more polite. Can पेक्षा could ना जास्त polite आहे. Okay. Next, that is
Did you know?
very good. Very good.
Did
Now,
you have?
This is last exercise. Okay. So this is the last exercise. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Okay. So here are the sentences. You will do this homework and send me. Okay. So time is up now. See, here you just have to change. Like, I am watching my face in my mirror. And what you have to do? You have to replace this. See. So you will be taking words from this box, then this green box and this pink box. Okay. So you have to replace the words here in the 3 boxes. Okay. I am watching my face in my mirror. First I will do it for you. We are watching Now we are watching my face or our faces. We plural. So our faces. We are watching our faces in our mirror. एकाच मिरर मध्ये खूप जण बघण्यापेक्षा इन अवर मिरर. आणि अजून काय करायचं माहिती तुम्हाला? ट्रान्सलेट करायचं. आय एम वॉचिंग माय फेस इन माय मिरर. मी माझ्या आरशात माझा फेस बघते, माझा चेहरा बघते. आणि वी आर वॉचिंग आवर फेसेस इन अवर मिरर म्हणजे आम्ही आमच्या मिरर मध्ये आम्ही आमच्या आरशात आमचे चेहरे पाहतो. So your task is that to replace these three boxes with the given words and then translate this sentence. Okay, and see how it comes. आणि मजा त्याच्यामध्ये येते कारण आपण असे सेंटेन्सेस वेगवेगळे आहेत ना मस्त. त्यामुळे सेंटेन्सेस, दिस इज युअर होमवर्क. मेक सेंटेन्सेस, make a translation and enjoy this. Okay, we'll stop here. Thank you so much. So thanks a lot. Okay, Rekha ma'am, we'll stop here. This is acknowledgement from my side because I have used these to be form slides from this Kamlesh Joshi sir. So thank you so much. Rekha ma'am. Rekha ma'am.